Hey everyone, want to use Luma AI Dream Machine? In this video, I'll show you how to create AI-generated videos with Dream Machine step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the Luma AI website. Sign in to your account and open Dream Machine ***. Next, click Create *** to start a new project. You can choose text to video * or image to video **, depending on the type of content you want to create. Now enter a detailed prompt describing your scene. Include the subject, background, lighting, camera movement, and visual style for the best results. If you're using an image, upload it and explain how you want it to move or transform into a video. Next, adjust available settings such as video length, aspect ratio, and quality based on your project. Click Generate * and wait while Dream Machine creates your AI video. Once the video is ready, preview the result and refine your prompt if you'd like different motion or visuals. Finally, export your finished video and use it for YouTube, social media, marketing, or other creative projects. And that's how to use Luma AI Dream Machine. With clear prompts and creative ideas, you can turn simple concepts into impressive AI videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.